Hello everyone, this is Quinn from Power Admin. I'd like to show you how to add a process monitor to a server. So let's go ahead and right click on our server and say Add New Monitor. Let's scroll down and find the process monitor. Click OK. So the monitor will pull back a list of the current running processes that are on that machine. What I'd like to do is monitor a specific process and make sure that it is running and not multiple instances or no instances. So let's first go ahead and find the process that we want to monitor, and it's the FTP FileWatch.exe process. And let's go ahead and set the fire actions to anything other than one instance. So if one instance is running, everything is good. If there's no instances or more than one, it will fire alerts for us. At this time, let's go ahead and add actions. And for due immediately, previously we had set up a action that would restart this specific process. So we have that here. Let's go ahead and add that to due immediately. And then in our first escalation step, we're going to set that at 5 minutes. I'd like to retry the start of that process as well. I also want to get email notifications sent to several people. And I've created this high priority group action. And what that really is you can create an action that you can include several actions in, and it will fire all of the actions at the same time. Then the last escalation step we're going to set for 30 minutes, and we're going to add the high priority action to that as well. And of course we want to add that to our resolve so we know when the monitor goes back into an OK state. Let's go ahead and save these by clicking the OK button. Let's check the schedule of the monitor. It's by default will run every 5 minutes, and that's acceptable for me, so I'm going to leave that as is. So we have no more changes. Let's go ahead and save this monitor. Click OK. And now let's scroll down in the server, and here's the process monitor that we just created. Thank you and have a great day, everyone.